Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Colab for video processing experiments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Colab for video processing experiments, begin by navigating to the Google Colab website. Log in using your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, click on the New Notebook button to create a new Jupyter notebook. Next, you will see a blank notebook interface. In the first cell, you need to install necessary library. Type the following command, pip install OpenPython. Press the Shift and Enter keys together to run the cell. Wait for the installation process to complete. Next, you need to import the required libraries. Create a new cell and type, import CV2. For video handling, also import NumPy by adding, import NumPy as NP. Run this cell the same way as before. To upload a video file, create a new cell. Use the following code, from Google.Colab import files uploaded equal. Select the video file you want to process from your computer. Once the upload is complete, verify the file name in the output. Now, you can start processing the video. Create a new cell and use OpenCV to read the video. Type the following code, cap equals cv2.videocapture, your _video file. To ensure everything is working, add a simple loop to read and display the video frames. Type the following code, while true, ret, frame equals cap.read, if not ret, break cv2.imshow, video frame, cv2.waitKey, 1, run this cell to view the video frames. To properly release the video capture object, add this line after the loop, cap.release, cv2.destroy all windows. Now you are set up for video processing experiments in Google Colab. Feel free to modify the code for your specific video processing tasks. Experiment with different video manipulation techniques as you become more familiar with the environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.